In this video, I'll show you how to mark invoices as paid in Xero. First, open Xero and go to the Sales menu, then select Invoices. Xero's help says you can find unpaid customer invoices under the Awaiting Payment tab, then open the invoice you want to update. Once the invoice is open, look below the invoice details for the Record Payment section. Enter the payment amount, choose the bank account or payment account, add the payment date, and include a reference if you want. Then click Add Payment. Xero says this records the payment against the invoice and updates its status. If the customer has paid the full amount, the invoice will show as paid after you save it. If they only paid part of it, Xero will keep the invoice open and show it as part paid instead of fully paid. That helps you keep track of any balance still outstanding. This behavior follows Xero's payment recording flow for sales invoices. There's also another way this can happen automatically. Xero says if you use online payment services connected to invoices, customer payments can mark invoices as paid and reconcile automatically. So the simple process is go to Sales, open the invoice, enter the payment in Record Payment, and click Add Payment. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.